In today's video, we take a look at some scary, supposedly leaked videos of alien life. Could they reveal all the unanswered questions about the universe? Because they've been uploaded onto the internet, there is a chance these videos could be fake. We will list all the information we can find relating to the clips, then you can make your own minds up. Number 5. KGB aliens. The KGB is similar to the CIA. It was formed by the Soviet Union in 1954. The KGB was a military service and security agency which was governed by the rules and regulations under the control of Russia's Soviet Union. By 1991, the KGB had been broken up and some classified documents were released. In 2011, a person by the name of Ivan uploaded several videos onto YouTube which supposedly showed footage of aliens captured by the KGB. The first video was allegedly filmed in 1942 while aboard a Yakovlev Yak-9 Russian fighter aircraft. The video shows a UFO. The military managed to shoot down the UFO and it landed near the town of Muravlanko. Many more videos were uploaded which were said to have been recorded from 1942 to 1969. The clips show footage of an alleged alien. The clips were taken from raw footage which was an hour and a half long. According to a separate video, the KGB first came into contact with these aliens and under a treaty, many meetings took place. The meetings were said to have taken place in secrecy and only a limited number of special agents were able to escort the aliens to meet with high-ranking officers. According to the video, the last piece of footage to be released came from a meeting in 1962. The alleged aliens seen in the footage supposedly come from the binary star system known as Zeta Reticuli. Although the footage could have been fake, they aren't the only videos that involve the KGB and aliens. There have been many other videos which claim the KGB have alien info. One claims to have released all information about alien races. Number 4. Alien interview. This video was released just last month. There have been all different types of information as to where the clip comes from. Some claim it was leaked by whistleblower Edward Snowden, while others claim it was leaked from Project Blue Book. Project Blue Book was a series of systematic studies of UFOs carried out by the United States Air Force between 1952 and 1969. One source claims a clip comes from 1962 and was filmed for a classified Project Blue Book operation. The alien in the clip is said to be called EBE-3. There have been other claims that it is simply a computer-generated simulation. During the video, the alien claims that it is from Earth and is actually an evolutionary descendant of humans. The being claimed it time traveled to observe humans as all evidence of human life was wiped out after a nuclear war. It claimed the war was caused by political and religious dogma. The alien also claimed that it knows how the universe was created and claims people from the future evolved past the need for superstition of God and other myths. The being also claimed that death is a human construct and claimed that it doesn't exist. According to the being, humans have and will experience every instance of so-called life. It claimed every living being are instances of the same life separated by the false human idea of death. The alien also said there are an infinite number of universes which each have different physical properties. It also claimed that not all universes are capable of supporting life as we know it, so they might hold a different life form completely alien to us. Now, as there is very little information as of yet to be released, the video is most likely fake, but it's still worth watching as the discussion is quite interesting. Number 3. Area 51 alien interview. Area 51 has always been a place of mystery. Opening in 1955, it is a United States Air Force facility located in Lincoln County, Nevada. The base's purpose remains unknown, but based on historical evidence, is most likely used for experimental aircrafts and weapons. Due to the secrecy surrounding the base, many conspiracy theories have emerged. Many conspiracy theorists believe the base holds alien crafts and alien life forms. Officially, the base has never been declared as a secret location, but all operations that take place there are of a top secret and classified manner. In 2013, the CIA finally acknowledged the existence of the base. In 1997, a video was released which allegedly shows an alien being interviewed. The video was given to a production company by the name of Rocket Pictures. The man who handed in the tape goes by the name of Victor. The tape is said to have come straight out of Area 51. Victor claims the tape is a copy of an original source and said it was copied under special circumstances. He claimed there was a transfer of video documentation from analog tapes to digital discs. This made some pieces of data vulnerable under certain security systems and therefore the tape was able to be copied and leaked. He claimed the being seen in the video arrived on Earth in 1989. He also claimed the alien has 2 interview sessions a month which last around 2 to 5 hours. The alien seen in the footage is known as EBE-4. The initials stand for extraterrestrial biological entity. The first EBE was believed to have been involved in the infamous Roswell, New Mexico crash of 1947. The aliens do not speak our language and therefore personnel at Area 51 had to create a way to communicate with them. A document was leaked in the 1970s under the Carter administration by the name of the Carter Aquarius Briefing Document. The document stated that the personnel allegedly used a pictogram and created a set of symbols which could be understood by humans and aliens, and therefore they created a new type type of language in order to communicate efficiently. The document also reported that the EBEs were from the Zeta Reticuli binary system. This matches up with the KGB's footage mentioned earlier. The document has never been proven to have been of an actual government document. As for Victor's identity, there have been several theories on the internet, but the most common one seems to suggest that Victor is actually Robert Dean. Robert Dean is a retired United States Air Force sergeant and UFOologist. People on the internet have compared interviews between the two, and many similarities come up. After expert video analysis, there still hasn't been a definitive answer on the authenticity of the video, so could the footage be real? Who knows? Many reliable people such as a former NASA consultant David Adair claim to have come across alien technology while working at Area 51. Number 2. NASA leaks. There have been several leaks and strange sightings caught on camera by NASA in the past. A Scottish hacker by the name of Gary McKinnon leaked quite a bit of information about strange ongoings at NASA. In 2002, Gary was accused of breaking into the computer databases of the US military, the Pentagon, and NASA. It was labeled as the biggest military computer hack of all time. Gary claims his intentions were to find evidence of free energy suppression and evidence of a UFO cover-up. The United States wanted to extradite Gary, but it never went through. Gary claimed that the online database's security was so bad he was easily able to access them for up to 2 years. He claims while searching through the US Navy's database, he came across a list of non-terrestrial officers. Now this doesn't have to be of an alien nature, as non-terrestrial simply means it's not land-based, so this would fit perfectly with naval officers. He also claimed finding several pictures of UFOs from NASA's database and claimed that NASA edits the photos in order to remove them. This seems to be a common conspiracy theory about NASA, and people even claim that they copy and paste cloud patterns in order to cover up a giant hole found in Earth, which can be seen in some images. As part of the hollow Earth theory, people believe it is an entrance to the center of the Earth in which aliens inhabit, and some conspiracy theorists go as far as saying that human cloning takes place in the middle of the Earth. There are pieces of video evidence that have been leaked, such as the STS-75 incident, which is believed to be the most compelling UFO footage of all time. Now, since we have featured this case in a previous video, we won't go into much detail, but we did forget to mention that it was not actually released by NASA. A television cable company located in Vancouver, Canada, actually intercepted NASA's camera feed and taped the event and then went on to leak it. Some conspiracy theorists have gone as far as saying that NASA intentionally cuts the live feed from the International Space Station each time a UFO is caught on tape. Many people believe NASA have captured life on other planets, as many anomalies have been released, such as the crab alien on Mars, the Mars Maiden, and Mars's Bigfoot. Number 1. Russian Mafia KGB leak. Once again, this is another alien case related to the KGB. In July of 2016, a video was released which showed former KGB agents excavating an Egyptian tomb only to find a 10,000-year-old alien corpse. The agents were supposedly there under Operation ISIS. The Soviets allegedly excavated the tomb in order to obtain military secrets. A Russian scientist by the name of Viktor Ivanovic claimed that he had seen classified documents which claimed the KGB searched a tomb in Egypt in 1961. He claimed only the highest ranks of the KGB know the truth about the alien creature found, which supposedly died 10,000 years before Christ. The video was released by the Russian Mafia, who allegedly got it from the KGB. If the footage is real, then this would back the ancient astronaut theory that suggests the ancient Sumerians and Egyptians were visited by aliens known as the Anunnaki, who supposedly created modern-day humans.